Okay guys, welcome to the second and final step in this LeadsLeap training series, which I'm doing for the Ultimate Buyers Traffic Income System, but you can also use this as a guide to set up capture pages and connect to your email list in whatever you might be doing with. So just to quickly show you guys, this is the resources page for the traffic system I've set up. We've just covered the first video where we show you how to import capture pages and your main page or the bridge page. What we're going to do now is this second video. I'm quickly going to show you how to set up your own email list and then connect it to these pages. It's very, very simple. You go over here to LeadsLeap. We've been on the page manager, so now we're going to go over here on the left hand side to list manager. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on add a new list. I'm going to call this test list, just to show you what you need to do. You need to click here on activate this list. Now you can change the name here. You can do a brand name or a logo. As you can see at the bottom, what you can do is you can use images you upload here. This basically just gives, on top of every email, you'll see this little header here. This is for the buyers traffic system I just set up. So everybody that subscribes to this list, this is brand new. In every email, there's just going to get this this photo in the header, in the design. So it looks very cool in the emails. So that is optional, but you can leave that blank as well as you want to. Email me when someone opts in. I normally choose yes. Then you just get a notification when someone opts into your list. I like seeing that. You put your name in there. You put your email address in there. If you're using the same email that you've got your LeadsLeap account with, or you've previously set up on another email campaign, you just put your email in here. If you're using the same one, you click on send code to the above email address. If you've used it before, you'll get automatically verified. If it's the first time you are using that email, then just go log into your emails. You'll get a little verification code after you click on this. You paste the code in here, and they will verify that email address. It's just a way that LeadsLeap makes sure that there are no fake email addresses and stuff going around, and people are using good email addresses. And then just your postal address over here. And your email signature, you can choose if you want to add a signature under all of the emails that you send out to your list. I have a resources thing I put in my signature at the bottom of the emails, normally in the email series as well. You can choose if you want to include it in the welcome email, in the entire email series, or in the once-off broadcasts you may do. You can open the editor if you want to play around with that feature. You can also save it. So if you have one saved, you can come in here and you can just save that the signature template you've done previously. So what you do then is, by activating this list, once you're done with all of this, you just simply click on save and activate. You can also preview your email design over here. We show how that look. If you added the picture, it'll show up there. If you want to change anything, you'll see it on this preview. So normally it's important then go ahead and save and activate. Okay, I'm not actually going to do all the details now, but let me show you here what I've done on the buyers traffic one. Yeah, I've added the image. You can choose the brand color. Click on preview design and you can see how this design looks. So once this is activated, guys, what you can then go ahead and do, there's a difference between what free members can do and what pro members can do. But what you want to do is you want to customize verification email and welcome email. So as a free member, you can build your list. You can get people to subscribe onto your list. The only thing you cannot do is you cannot send them automated emails through an email series. You can do that as a pro member. But what you can do as a free member is you can set up a welcome email. So what I've done is, let me just see, if you click here on welcome email, you go here, you click on this little button over here, view edit this email. And you can go ahead and edit it here. So what you want to do is you're going to come to this resources page. I've created an email here for you that you can go ahead and use. Subject line, you can just go ahead and copy this, pop it into the subject line over there. And you can go ahead and copy this, pop it into the body over here. Then you've got your welcome email sorted, guys. Just importantly, one or two things you need to change. Here's the link to the main page with the details. Go ahead and delete that. Obviously, that is my main page. You want to come back to the main page you've set up here under page manager on the left. Remember, we just imported the two capture pages and the main page. So you just go ahead and insert the link to your main page over there. So when people get this email, they click on that. They're going to come over to your main page over here that looks like this. One other thing you want to do, there's two of those. Just include your two links over there. And then right at the bottom, just obviously put your name here. And then when it's done, You can save changes. You can send yourself a test email over here. I usually suggest that. You're going to get a dummy email to your own inbox. You can see that everything looks right. So yeah, just go ahead and save changes. And that's it, guys. You have your welcome email set up. So when someone opts into your capture page, they're going to get this welcome email automatically once they verify their email address. And they're going to get the link to this main page where they can have a look at the system and hopefully join the programs under you, and you can start getting your buyers traffic free and earning those commissions. If you are a pro member, that's also very cool. So what you can do then, you can come over to this double thingy over here, these two double envelopes. As you can see, I've already set up, I might expand on this. As I said, I just implemented this. I've already set up a welcome email along with 8 follow-up emails and then a loop back at the end of the month. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to import over here. Obviously, there's going to be nothing here once you get here. You don't have to manually do the welcome email. You're going to come here and you're going to put the share code in here. So on this resources page, let me just show you. The email series share code is going to be right over here. As you can see, welcome email and share code for follow-up series for pro members. You're going to copy this code. You're going to come in here. Going to enter the share code. You're going to say replace all existing episodes, yes, and yes, include welcome email. That's it, guys. You do that. All of these are going to pop up. The only work you are then going to have to do, you're going to get the same welcome email that free members have to set up manually. Go in there and change those links I just showed you. And on every single one of these emails, you'll see every single one of them focuses on one of these sites on their own. So let me just show you the first one buyers traffic. This is on the click engine. You come in here to this little edit button over here. You're going to see the email over here. You don't have to change anything, just 2 things. The main page, in case you missed it. So on every single of these, just go ahead and update it with the same main page link with your own main page link. And then right at the bottom, let me just quickly show you. Or apologies on this first follow-up email after the welcome email. This is just another reminder for people to actually go ahead to the main page in case they might have missed the welcome email or they just didn't get to it the previous day. If we go to day 2, we're going to introducing the click engine. This is where we look at the first one. Ahead, come in here, open up this. You're going to get your main page link over here again. And then okay, so on every single one of these opportunities, there's going to be a little summary of what the program is about, what it costs, and so on. Everyone is going to have a link to the main page. So if you want to go, if you read what this opportunity is about, this is on the click engine. You can go to the main page. You can join the click engine from there. Or I've included a banner on each one of these. So what you want to do is you want to click here on the banner itself. You click on the little insert edit link over here. And do you want to go ahead and you want to copy your referral link, your Warrior Plus referral link for the click engine in here. Make sure this stays in a new window and you just go ahead and click on OK. So in each one of these emails, you're just going to make sure your main page link is over there so people can go there and join the opportunity if they want to. And you simply click on this or next to this little banner here at the bottom of each of them. You go here and insert edit link and you just update that with your own link. And then go down here, remember to click on save and activate. Very important, guys. Important to get your own links in there. Also at the bottom of each one of these, you'll see this little link to LeadsLeap as well. Same thing, click on there and edit your LeadsLeap referral link over there. Just update that. So in each of these emails, people have an opportunity to join your opportunity. They get directed to the main page as well, and they get a chance to join LeadsLeap under you as well. Very cool, very cool. So that's it, guys. So that you can do as a pro member, you can update this entire, import this entire email series. Then people will start getting these emails every day automatically. And at the end of the month, they'll get a loop back and they'll start getting it again. I might be adding more to this as time goes by. As a free member, as I said, you can still add the welcome email manually. That still works very cool. And what you can also do is on the left hand side here under email marketing, you can go to broadcasts, and as a free member you can send out a few broadcasts every single month to your entire email list, whether they're on this income system list or on any other list you might have created in LeadsLeap. Then you can promote anything you want to, and you can promote this system as well. So if you are on my email, if you're getting my email series, if you are getting these emails from me or from someone else, you can always go ahead, open them, save them in your emails, and then a few times a month you can just go ahead and send a manual broadcast. Just copy it in, set up a broadcast, copy the content in there, update your own links, and you can send that to your list as well. So yeah, it's a bit of extra effort, but it's still a very cool option to have as a free member. So that's it, guys. The last thing we need to do now, we've got your email series set up, your welcome email set up, and the follow-ups. So what we want to do is we need to connect this email list to your capture pages. So when someone opts into your capture page, they actually go and land in your email series. There you'll see all the people that have subscribed to your list. So what you want to do is when you set up your list, you see you will have your list ID over here. So what you want to go ahead and do, let's go back to Page Manager. This is the test capture page we've just set up. It's a copy of a capture page I've done. You go into Editor. So on all of these, on the left-hand side here, under List, what you want to do, you want to click on there. You want to use SenseLeap, that is LeadsLeap's own list manager. You click on Get List ID, and you'll see the whole list of all the lists you've set up on here. So it will be at the top, the new one you set up. It's that one over there, the one that I've been using. You just click on the one you want to use, boom, and it's in there automatically. And then top right, important, go here and click on Save. If you're using Aweber, GetResponse, anything like that, you can use third-party list manager, and you can pop in all those details over there. But we're using LeadsLeap for this, but you have that option as well, which is good to have. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about that. That's it, guys. So on both capture pages, to make sure you change your list over there to that list. Both will go onto the same list, obviously, as well as for, let me just see on this one, on the main page. You also get here, because we have a capture page at the bottom, same thing, go to list, go in there and pop it in there. If people subscribe down here. I hope that makes sense. There is one final step that is optional that you can do. I'm not doing it, but when you get your list ID over here, people land on your list. So obviously when someone comes in the capture page or at the bottom, they enter their email, they click on subscribe. What happens then is they'll get a notification to go and verify their email address. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm waiting for people to actually do that. And then in the welcome email, they get access to the main system. What you can do is you can also redirect when people get the notification to go verify the email. You can also put the link in here to the main page on the bias ones. So in other words, let me just quickly show you. You can go ahead and take the link to this page. And on the capture page, on the two capture pages, if someone opts in, they'll get the notification to go and verify the email. But if you add that link over here to this main page, you can put it in there, you save it, then people will also get a redirect in a new window to the main system directly. So that is a good way to get eyeballs on the main system and your main offer much quicker. The only downside is sometimes people then do not worry about going into the emails and actually verifying the emails. So that is completely optional and up to you. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to import capture pages, set up your main page, how to set up your email list, and how to connect that list to your capture pages and your main page. And then also do the optional redirect if you want to. Again, I hope you found some value in that. Again, please reach out to me if you have any questions on how to do this. I'm dropping links to this system as well below if you want to have a look at it. It's a very cool system. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.